Meet the Redroad R11 LiDAR robot vacuum and mop cleaner. 20,000 pascals powerful suction delivers strong cleaning performance for dust, debris, hair, and everyday dirt. LiDAR navigation helps the robot scan your home and plan efficient cleaning routes. Multi-floor mapping allows the robot to save and recognize cleaning maps for different floors. Self-emptying station automatically collects dust, reducing frequent manual maintenance. Up to 90 days of dust capacity helps extend the time between manual emptying. Vacuuming and mopping work together for convenient everyday floor cleaning. App control lets you schedule, manage, and customize cleaning from your smartphone. Smart mapping helps the robot clean different rooms and areas more systematically. Designed for convenient hands-free cleaning with less daily effort. Ideal for busy homes needing powerful vacuuming, mopping, mapping, and automatic dust collection.